Okay.
So, I'm about to eat a ghost chili pepper. I am incredibly freaking scared. I have no balls. I don't want to do it.
You'll have big kahunas if you do it.
So
Whatever you do, don't spit it out and let the dogs get
Yeah.
it.
I'm so
If you wind up spitting it out, spit it over the
My
fence.
heart is racing so fast right now.
You told her real fast.
Real
Oh,
fast.
come on, we're videotaping.
Go. Chew. Chew. Chew.
It ain't that hot yet. You can spit it out.
I got big cojones.
Swallow it.
Want some milk?
See how long you can go without milk now.
Why do you hate us? We didn't eat it. You ate it. Is your mouth still burning?
It's exactly what that guy said.
Are you getting sweaty?
Come closer.
Hang your tongue out.
Here, hold still. Let me zoom in on your face for a second.
It's really hot, guys.
You want some milk? She's drooling. Oh, there's tears. Wait. There's tears and you're spitting.
It's just hot.
This video might be a little fucked up because I was laughing the whole time.
Is yours on or off?
Mine's on right now.
Do you want some milk?